Welcome to week number 2 of the Jeff Bishop Bullseye Trade Picks. Hello everybody, my name is Sanan and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. In today's video, we are doing a 2-week review on the Jeff Bishop Bullseye Trade Picks. If you have not heard about Jeff Bishop and Bullseye Trades, well, Jeff Bishop is a multi-million-dollar option trader. He has made millions of dollars option trading, and he has a course where he teaches people how to trade options. And best of all, every single Monday morning, he releases one of his winning option trade picks for that week. Also in the group, you will get a ton of material to learn how to trade options. They have some of the best benefits out there. One of my favorite benefits is they have a live options trader that is trading live all day long. So if you have any questions, if you want to follow a professional trader that does options trading for a living, this is one of the best courses to it, and it is all included in the course. Plus you will get trading courses and a ton of material to improve your options trading skills. Also, I will show you how much money I made personally in the second stock pick from Jeff Bishop. I will show you when I bought the trade and when I exited the trade and how much profit I made. So 2 weeks ago, I decided to buy the Jeff Bishop Bullseye Trade course. And oh man. So week number 1 of being in the Jeff Bishop Bullseye Trading Group, early Monday morning, he sent me his first pick. And it was a Zoom call. That call made over 60% profit. But week number 2, this week was even better. That was the best week so far. Also guys, if you are interested in getting the Jeff Bishop Bullseye picks every single Monday morning, check out that link in the description box below. I will also have another link for Webull. If you use that link below, you deposit $100, you get 4 free stocks. So sign up to Webull, get your 4 free stocks, check out the Jeff Bishop course, and get a pick every Monday morning. Now let's continue with week number 2. Alright, so this week I woke up really early so I can receive the pick and start executing it as soon as possible. So in week number 2, this is the pick that we received that Monday morning. As you can see, he mentioned the Zoom call and how it was profitable. Then he talks about the setup, a little bit more about Zoom, and then he releases the next week's pick, which at this time was Harley Davidson. Personally, I haven't followed Harley Davidson stock whatsoever, but as soon as he released the pick, I started doing my research on HOG. And then in the email, he talks about Harley Davidson and why he thinks it is a good pick and a good options trade for this week. And he looks at the chart, he shows us the pattern, shows us the setup of the chart. And then at the very bottom, he gives us his pick. But first he says, if the daily close is below $34.50, he will be out of the trade. And he says his target price is $40+, which is pretty good. Alright, so that was the pick for this Monday. And man, was it a winner. Now I will show you the chart so you can see exactly where Jeff Bishop made the call. And you will see a couple days after to see how Harley Davidson stock performed. Let's go. So here's the Harley Davidson stock chart. And as you can see right here, that is when Jeff Bishop released his stock pick. And if you see the next following couple of days, the stock pretty much went from $37 and some change all the way up to $41.78. If you just decided not to do the options trade that he suggested and you instead just bought the stock, in 2 days, you would have made over 13%, which is an excellent return. But if you bought options, man, oh man, you would have made a boatload of money. There's people in the group that did this setup and they made anywhere between 100 and 600% return. That is a huge amount of profit. Just this one single trade could have covered the entire purchase price of the course and still left you with a ton of profits. Now we are going to go inside of my Webull account where I will show you exactly how much profit I made off of this trade. Alright, so now we are inside of my Webull account. We are going to go performance. we are going to scroll down and we are going to find Harley Davidson. As you can see, this trade made me $54.80. You're probably thinking, man, where's your 100% return? Where's your 600% return? Guys, I was super nervous, so I only ended up buying one single option. As you can see, I bought the option for 1.35, and then 40 minutes later, I sold it for 1.9, and I made a $54.80 profit in about 41 minutes. In my opinion, this is excellent, and I only bought one option. Just imagine if I bought way more options, or if I did not sell in the first 40 minutes of the trade. If I just kept this single option open for 1 day or 2 days, man, I would have doubled, tripled my money. The reason I only bought one single option was because I have never before traded options. I do trade stocks, but I have never traded options. So I wanted to do only one option just to make sure I was doing it right. I did not want to go all in simply because that was my first time buying options and I do not have the experience. So I am trading small, one option here, one option there, until I get the hang of it and I start becoming better at trading options. But if you are familiar with trading options, you would have been able to see this. You would have been able to spot the pattern and realize the potential that this trade had, and you would have made a ton of profit. Some people in the group made 100 to 600% returns. Me personally, I made my $50 and I was out of there in 40 minutes, and I was happy simply because I'm gaining experience on every options trade. Also, in a couple days, we will have another Monday and we will have another winnings pick from Jeff Bishop. All right, everybody, that sums up week number 2. If you are interested in the Jeff Bishop course, check out the link in the description box below. Also, guys, stay tuned for week number 3. I'll be doing another review video showing you how much money I made on the third pick from Jeff Bishop. I will also let you know if I lost money, all the details that you need to know. So far, guys, I have received 2 picks from Jeff Bishop, and both of them have been absolute winners. First one made about 60%. You can check out my week 1 review. It will be somewhere in the description box below. Second week, the Harley Davidson pick was also a winner. Guys, that is 2 straight winning picks in a row. As you know, I signed up for the 1-month course, so we still have 2 more picks to go. Once we get all 4 picks, I will do a full review on the Jeff Bishop Bullseye trading course. And I will let you know all the winners, all the losers, how much profit I made, how much money I lost, all those juicy details. And then we are going to decide if we are going to buy the full 1-year membership. But so far, Jeff Bishop is on point. First 2 picks, both of them winners. And all the stuff that comes in the course, it is well worth the money, guys. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn those notifications on because next week I'll be doing another review showing you all the juicy details and showing you if we are going to make some money in pick number 3. And as always, guys, see you in the next video. Peace out.